Chapter 6, Rules are for everyone. Rules are for everyone means all people must follow the same rules, whether they are rich or poor, young or old. This helps keep things fair, safe, and peaceful for everyone in society. Children, today we are going to talk about something we all see and follow every day: rules. Yes, rules are not just for games or traffic, they are for everyone and everywhere, at home, in school, and in society. Why do we need rules? Let me ask you, why do we have traffic rules? Right, so that vehicles don't crash into each other and everyone is safe. In the same way, we need rules in society too, to live happily and safely with others. Without rules, there would be confusion and chaos. Rules are equal for all. Now tell me, should rules be different for rich people and poor people? No, never. Rules are the same for everyone. Even the Prime Minister has to follow the law, just like us. That's what makes rules fair and equal. Change in rules for the society. Here's something interesting: rules can also change over time. Long ago, people in India could vote only after turning 21. But now the voting age is 18. Yes, that rule was changed in 1988. But remember, some rules like gravity or the rising sun, those are natural laws and they never change. Rules in school and family. You all follow rules at school, right? Coming in uniform, attending assembly, standing in line, being quiet in the library. These rules help us stay disciplined and respectful, even at home, helping your parents, not fighting with siblings. Those are family rules too. Some rules were unfair in the past, but children, not all rules in the past were fair. Earlier, girls were not allowed to go to school. People from lower castes were treated badly. That was called untouchability. These were unfair customs and were banned by law after India became independent. Good and bad traditions. Not all old customs are bad, some are very good, like welcoming guests, celebrating festivals, caring for animals. But some old customs were very wrong, like caste discrimination, child marriage, superstitions. Great people like Savitri Bai Phule, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and Shahu Maharaj helped remove these bad practices. Protecting our environment. Children, do you know we also need rules to protect our environment? We cannot keep cutting trees or polluting rivers. So, the government made environmental laws to stop illegal hunting, save forests, use water wisely. These rules help us protect nature for the future. Do you know? The Constitution of India has banned untouchability. Boys and girls have equal rights. Savitribai Phule was India's first woman teacher. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar fought for equality and justice. In Maharashtra, there's even a law to ban black magic and cheating in the name of superstition. Isn't that amazing? What have we learned? Rules are for everyone and help us live together peacefully. No one is above the rules. Some old rules were unfair and needed to be changed. Good rules protect people and the environment. We should all stand for equality, fairness, and justice.